You searched how to buy shares of Atara Biotherapeutics Inc., a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company working on cell-based therapies. Atara trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ATRA. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ATRA to locate the stock. Choose the Atara Biotherapeutics Inc. listing that matches the ticker to open its page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Ensure the name shows Atara Biotherapeutics Inc. and the ticker ATRA before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed as per platform rules, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For the eToro link and more details, see the description below.